said, girl, take off the jazz. This is no play thing when they come out, yeah. She said, bring the money, come. Do you think you back just come touch me for fun? Me said, girl.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If at the first time you check out the Chadimore TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know.
Just the other day me went shopping, buck around sexy thing, slim, trim now figure a gym king.
In this video, we have a lot to discuss, from Popcorn being detained over by the UK and more ask, you know, West King really say right yourself.
I tell him say you're a batty man right, they say you're bow brother, you're stealing.
Jaja, me no know what going right there so, but we are going to talk about it. And according to the Deputy Commissioner of Corrections, Vybz Kartel should have never a record in a jail, which we did probably know that already. But we are going to talk about all those stories and more. But before we go into the topics, we are going to talk about the song here, where I play No One Then, and yeah, here in the background. The song is from King Tahat, and it's entitled Bring the Money Come. And people, me not tell a lie, that song is bad. Check it out.
Me said, girl, take off the jazz. This is no play thing when they come out, yeah. She said, bring the money, come. Do you think you back just come touch me for fun?
Yeah, Chadimore, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Chadimore TV. For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chadimore. Bototom, Bush, Yaksta said that.
People, me not tell no lie. I wanna know say Chadimore TV not tell lie. A first in a long while, me hear a song so what me just can't stop listening to. Me I tell the people that song is bad, and the females them gonna love that song ya. Cause the song name Bring the Money Come, and every woman and them mother want the man them work the money and bring it come. Me personally not too like that style there. And not to stray from the point, you know, but me I go play that short clip here and tell me what you think.
You see, when a man make money, one thing him think about is to settle down and start a family. You see, when a woman make money, one thing she think about, she's independent and she don't want a man. It is real life, believe it or not.
You can go and follow Tahat and give a woman all of the money won't work. The woman them go smile all the way to the bank.
Just the other day me went shopping, buck around sexy thing, slim, trim now figure a gym king. Tahat, so me introduce my name and she do the same. Said her name is Kim Berlin.
People, the artists are here all the way from the UK. And me I go left all of the link them in the description. So I want to just go on over him YouTube page and make him know say a Chadimore TV send you over there. People, I want to run up the numbers, you know. I want to run it up for me because that song you bad. I'm matter of fact, you know. I not have to tell you twice for run it up because I know say all of the woman them I go over there. All of the woman them I want the man them bring the money come. I go right over there. So I don't think me have to tell you twice. Don't?
She said, show me the money and I will be your honey. M-O-N-E-Y talk, B-U-L-L-S-H-I-T walk. Put the money where you move the money shot.
People, remember if you check out Tahat, Bring the Money Come. So people, me get this video. I don't know if Skeng do that video here over London. I don't know if him voice that song here over London. Me don't know what happened. But me get the video, me get him do like a song. It song kind of sound distorted away. So I'm not sure exactly what the artist say. But when me hear, it kind of sound away. You see me? Kind of sound away. And me I go make uno listen it and you just comment in the comment section and tell me where you hear.
Fully done.
I'm saying you miss you call any prim stiff gun man make you miss your appointment bitch. You so big to me love bad 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 bitch. Twerk for the whole gang.
Oh, no, the killing there the bad that.
To tell her the honest truth though, I don't really feel like Skeng say what we don't really think say Skeng say. I feel like say I probably mix and master the song the voice good or somebody distort it. Or probably him just have a busy signal, geary moment.
One more night, Gary, give me one more night, girl.
Anyway, leave it in the comment section and let me know what you think about that. We're moving on. Dancehall artist Popcaan being detained in London.
Yes, so I'm being detained right now. As you know, I'm in the UK. They gotta give me this paper and detain me because of information that was sent by my country that I should be stopped every time I'm here. I wonder why. Mr. Prime Minister of Jamaica, I would like to draw your attention to this once again.
As what Popcaan say, once again, this is definitely not the first time Popcaan has been stopped over by the UK. And it's not the first time that Popcaan has been appealing to the Jamaican authorities, the relevant authorities. Say, please, free up him thing. According to Popcaan, every time he might travel throughout London or the UK, him get stopped on interrogation and detained and a bag of things. Popcaan lawyer Bert Samuels also had this to say on the matter. Samuels tweeted, and I quote, Popcaan's harassment at Heathrow Airport is as a consequence of the Jamaican state putting a red flag on his name. Can you believe an artist who carries our flag high with no criminal record being embarrassed in a foreign country because his own country says he's a wrongdoer?
Grease them. That may I tell you. Them not like see me I win.
Since the video has been making its rounds on social media, Foreign Minister Kamina Johnson-Smith claimed that she had asked the High Commission to make an inquiry into the matter.
Now make no money if you don't work hard. Oh yeah. Cha.
Just before we go into the last story, which is the Vybz Kartel story and how Vybz Kartel is still recording in prison when him no fear recording in a prison at all. We are going to talk about that story here. Popular photographer shot dead at St. Andrew Home. Well-known photographer Dominic Davis, more popularly known as Dams, was shot dead at his home on Marvally Avenue off Mullines Road in Kingston on Tuesday. Reports are that the incident happened sometime after 1 p.m. and Dams was shot by an unknown assailant. Dams is a close friend and business associate to Murray Music recording artist Sing J. Dams also directed Sing J's and Top God recent music video Cuban We A Beat.
Well, we are rock, yeah. Cuban, link, Cuban, we a beat chronic. Cuban, yeah. Cuban, free, yeah.
The Murray Music and Connect Media team would like to send our condolences to the family and friends of Dams.
Now you're gone, and I miss you so much. That you them up.
Kartel's participation in videos or whatever, I must say it is totally prohibited and has not been approved by the Department of Correctional Services. Okay. Yes, it is true that we do have music studios, as I mentioned in my presentation. There is a music studio at Tower Street Adult Correctional Center. And yes, it is a fact that it is a part of the rehabilitation program. As you would note that Jack Pure, I don't remember what his name is.
Secretary Alka.
Right, thanks, Madam DP. He was granted permission as part of his rehabilitation strategy some years ago to do music whilst he was incarcerated at Tower Street Adult Correctional Center. That is not the case with Kartel. A matter of fact, Adidja Palmer, as you use it, right? With Adidja Palmer. Adidja Palmer is an appellant. He is an appellant, and as I mentioned, for pre-trial inmates, and I should have included appellants, they are not engaged in rehab activities because they are considered innocent until convicted. And so as such, he could not be a part of our approved program, and he's not at that institution in any case, in any way.
Vybz Kartel has been behind bars from September 29, 2011. And you tell me say it take on over 11 years for realize say Vybz Kartel a release song and uno claim say him shouldn't release songs. So you know what? Me never understand what going on here. So make we left it right here. So big up yourself, Kartel. You are the world boss. Go and drop a million song. Cause enough of your song them still a hit same way. I like the one we do with Chanel Muir. It bad. Me not tell no lie. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about these topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And guess what? A one way, any other way, the wrong way. My God.